quite a number of them were lost during those Gen Z protests. And I want to believe that everything is being done for justice to be accorded to those who are victims. We are in a civilized state. We have a constitution that entrenches human rights. There should be nobody who should be killed simply because he has demonstrated. If there is an offense committed during that demonstration, those ones should be charged in court. That's what should be done. Not anybody just being shot and killed or even maimed without due process.
Reports have been made. We have institutions which are working. We have IPOA. We have the report by National Human Rights Commission, and therefore efforts are being made to ensure that those who suffered will be, of course, compensated. Kituo has filed some cases in court, and that process is ongoing. And there are many other engagements that have already been done. I'm sure you have seen the press briefings that we have done already. You have seen what Amnesty International is doing. That is part of the greater work to ensure that those who suffered will be able to get justice, because our constitution provides mechanisms in which these disputes can be resolved.